Welcome to Naturally Corporate. My name is Regina and I'm so glad you clicked on my video. It's wash day and my scalp feels so good. I used a clarifying shampoo, followed up with the conditioner, and you know what? I just realized I didn't do a moisturizing shampoo after. I think when you clarify, you should do a moisturizing shampoo. I only did the one, so hopefully my conditioner will kick in. But I'm using some brand new products. I know they're pretty new to the scene, especially this mousse, but they are by Harinimation from the ZAM collection. I've got the moisturizing cream and also the foaming mousse. And I have fine strands, so mousses and foams do really well with my hair. My hair likes them. My hair is light and fluffy when I do my twist outs, and I like that. I really, really like the volume that I get. And I typically don't use leave-ins. I do sometimes, but because, like I said, I have finer strands, I don't have to layer on a lot of products. But I have the moisturizing cream, and I'm going to use it as my leave-in before I put the mousse on top of it. I have been wearing my hair flat iron for about the past 2 weeks, and over those 2 weeks, my scalp became really dry, and I know I went too long without shampooing. I shouldn't have waited that long, but hey, my hair was still holding up, and I was putting on grease. I was putting on my scalp. I was using Moroccan oil on my ends to keep them from being dry, and on my scalp too. And then what else? I think I used a little bit of Moroccan oil, dry oils, or OGX dry oil spray. Love that stuff. So my hair has some stuff in it, which is why I wanted to make sure I clarified. But and that's another reason I'm using the moisturizing cream, because I feel like my hair needs a little something. Plus the weather's getting cooler, skin gets drier, scalp gets drier, all of that. So I'm using this awesome combo today. I think I'm doing a twist out, and I'm excited about that, especially coming out of the flat iron hair for a couple of weeks. So I am going to get started doing my twist out. I won't show the whole thing. I'll just show you a few twists and talk about the products while I go. All right, I had planned to put a few twists in first, and then we talk about the products, but my hair is starting to dry out. So I had to spray a little water in it first. All right, so we're gonna go with the ZAM Collection Moisturizing Cream. It has Manoi, mango, and shea butter in it. And you can apply to clean hair as desired. And it will be interesting to see how this works on dry hair, but of course, I'm using it on my wet hair today. So the benefits of the moisturizing cream, it's designed to provide the ultimate moisture for the driest of hair. So that's what I'm needing, because I feel like my hair was dry. And let me tell you what drew me to this line of products. So I think it's maybe the parent company of Harinimation. Oh, this smells so good. I think the parent company of Harinimation is Paige Marie. And I fell in love with those products. I have several videos on my channel using the Paige Marie products. And the Paige Marie products were geared for all hair types, but particularly for fine hair. And when I tell you the formulation of those products, it's, you know, the owner and creator, she got it right. She got it right. So after the Paige Marie products, they introduced Harinimation, the ZAM collection. And that's why I'm using these products today. And you know what? I'll tell you, the owner sent these products to me, but if you look back over my channel, you'll see every so often I'm using Paige Marie or Harinimation products, it's because I genuinely love them. So I have put the moisturizing cream on my hair to put that moisture in there. Put a little bit more around the edges, and my ends. Make sure it's detangled. Whenever you're doing flat twists, just make sure that your hair is as smooth as you can get it. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the mousse. The mousse is infused with cucumber extract and aloe vera juice oil. And directions say, pump the ZAM Effect foaming mousse into your hands and apply to your hair in sections or as desired. For protective styles such as braids and twists, add directly onto hair and distribute as desired, and then style as desired. And this foaming mousse is recommended for wash and goes, braids, locks, twists, and sleek styles. So sounds like an all-in-one to me. And I've never, had a bad experience with any of the products from the collection. They all seem to work really well. And again, I think that might be because of me and my fine hair. All right, when it comes to mousses, when it comes to a lot of products, I think I use too much. So I'm going to try and not go crazy with this mousse, but I always like to just make sure all of my hair has product on it. And I'll start my first twist. My hair feels really good. It's really smooth. My fingers are gliding through it, so that's a good thing. And again, right now I have on the moisturizing cream and the mousse. Another thing with twist outs that I really like, you don't have to worry about, don't focus on getting your part straight. Because when when you take your twist down, and you can use the pads of your fingers to massage your scalp a little bit, you can massage those parts out. All right, all my twists are in, and I didn't count them, but I typically have about 9. And my hair can sometimes be straight on the ends if it's time for, or be scraggly if it's time for, not scraggly, that's not the right word. I don't think my hair has ever been scraggly, but my curls won't be uniform for whatever reason. If I need a trim, and also potentially because of the different textures in my hair. So sometimes I will just leave my twists as they are, because like these curl up on the end, but these two did not curl. So to give me a more uniform look for my twist out, it's totally fine to just put some perm rods in. I'm gonna do this one a little bit more. And I'm off to the dryer, my hooded dryer. My hair is all dry. I sat under the hair dryer for about an hour and my hair was dry. Another thing I love about mousses and foams, they don't take very long to dry. And I had to leave and go get, I had to leave the house. So I just pinned my hair back like this. And I thought it was cute. So anyway, I'm gonna take these twists down now. And my hair is really, really soft. I love how it feels. It's a big difference from how it was all dry and everything before I used these products. For me, it's a win-win. When my hair looks good, I've got a bomb twist out going on here, and I have amazing products in my hair. This wash day has been a win-win. I feel like my hair couldn't have come out any better. Look at my flat twist out. Sometimes when I do a flat twist out, it's a little bit frizzy, and it kind of, flares out a little bit. My hair, it's like it looks elongated, and I like that. I know my hair is growing a little bit too, but I love the way this twist out came out. And it has a lot to do with these products because I just flat twist the same old way every single time. But just to remind you, I use products from Harinimation ZAM Collection. I use the moisture cream and also the new foaming mousse, which was just recently introduced to the line. And let me just remind you of the benefits of this moisture cream. I told you earlier in the video. It's designed to provide the ultimate moisture for the driest of hair. Right now, I can say it's provided so much moisture to my hair, much better than it was before. I won't know for a few days if my hair will retain this moisture, but for right now, it's so very soft and it has a little bit of shine to it. Not a whole lot, but it's got some shine, and I'm pleased. I have a little bit of hold. Most mousses and foams don't give you a lot of hold. I know of one that does off the top of my head. It is amazing, but typically they won't give me a lot of hold. But there is a very light hold on this. No, I mean, you can see it's fluffy and it's moving. It's got a ton of body. So no hard crunch or anything like that, but a very, very soft hold. And I'm hopeful that I can get several days out of this. So talked about the moisture cream, and this is the foaming mousse. Now, I am not someone that is really into ingredients. I don't not buy products because of the ingredients they have in them, unless I just know for sure that it won't work. But otherwise, if I see something, I like it, I don't know, the packaging is pretty, I pick it up and use it. And if it doesn't work, I just pass it on or don't use it again. But also a reminder, the foaming mousse is infused with cucumber extract and aloe vera juice oil. I don't know anything about cucumber extract and not a whole lot about aloe vera juice oil either, but all I know is my hair feels good. It feels really, really good. And this is an awesome combo. I'm so glad I decided to use this moisture cream as a leave-in. Well, no wonder. I mean, they're perfect together. But I do want to read off a few ingredients to you from the Mousse. Some of them the words are so big and so lab sounding, I can't even pronounce them, so I won't try, but I'll just stick with the ones that I can say comfortably. Distilled water, aloe vera juice, honey. Let's see here. We've got polysorbate 80, hydrolyzed silk fragrance, hydrolyzed flaxseed, and that cucumber fruit extract. So this is a multi-purpose foaming mousse. It's for wash and goes, braids, locks, twists, and sleek styles. And I don't know, I haven't tried any of those other styles yet. I know a lot of ladies these days are using mousse for their wash and go. So if you are looking for a new foaming mousse to add to your collection and try out on your hair, try this from the ZAM collection. Every single product that I've used from Harinimation or the parent company, Paige Marie, like I said, I just haven't had a bad experience. And that the consistency is just off the charts. So my hat's off to you, Harinimation. Keep pumping out these amazing products. I really, really like them. So ladies, if you like the way my hair came out and you think you may have hair that is a little similar to mine, I'm going to have a discount code in the description box for you. Check it out. It's a Black owned business, Black female owned. And again, I don't show or promote anything on my channel that I don't believe in. If I were to share something with you that was just kind of mediocre, I would let you know in a way that would be tactful, not as to bash the brand. I said all that to say this brand I have repeated on my channel several times. So that should tell you something. I love my hair. This twist out is amazing and I love it. So let me know if you have tried some of these products. I know a few of my viewers have, and I appreciate it, that you trusted me to go out and purchase them. But let me know if you're interested in these or if you even have them. And let me know how they worked out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.